By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to improve your listening very easily. Now, I am going to give you a key solutions and an extensive answers to gradually solve this problem. So make sure to watch this video till the very end where I share my own experiences of improving my listening skills. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we learn a fun, easy English together. Today's video is all about improving your listening skills. How can we improve this skill which is so problematic for some students or maybe a lot? They have tried to improve it but have not had any success yet. No worries, guys. So, without further ado, let's get started. But, guys, before giving you any tips, answer this: why do I need to improve my listenings? What is the main purpose? It is because you need to improve your journal English. Is it because you have an exam coming up? Is it because of work? Maybe you need business English, or you need to know a specific jargon. Jargon is a language used by people in one particular profession, industry, or a group, which is somehow difficult for other people outside of that group to understand. You could be working in marketing, which has a specific language, a specific jargon that you need to both speak and understand. Or maybe you are at this point that you want to be able to understand all the songs, TV series, and everything that you hear about looking at the subtitle. I know it could be waxing trying to follow the subtitle all the time. It's really important to know your priority. Your main priority, start there and then work your way up. Guys, in my opinion, listening skills need to be improved gradually based on your needs, step by step. Let me give you an example. I have a student and her level is B. When she needs to improve her listening in general, because naturally she needs to be able to understand everyday conversations. But she is also a businesswoman and she needs to be able to understand business jargon. She hears it at work, and she also loves this TV series called Picky. Annoys her when she doesn't understand what they are saying without the subtitle. So these are the three completely different things, and you cannot possibly work on them, all of them at the same time. Unless maybe you are a genius, I don't know. So my suggestion for her would be to start improving her listening skills in business English, because she needs it for her job. That is her main priority. Then work on her journal English listening skills, and after some time, when she reached maybe level B2 or higher, she can work on mastering a particular accent like the one they use in Picky Blender. Each different area needs a whole video, and I could not possibly fit all of them into one video. It would get long and dreary. Instead, today I will only talk about one type that the majority of us need. How to improve our listening skills for everyday English. There could be a number of reasons for not understanding what someone is saying. The biggest complaint that I get from my students is that native speakers speak too fast. Is it? Are you feeling the same? I understand, and that is true. But we cannot ask all the native speakers to slow down for us, right? And even if we could, what's the point in that? We want to make progress and improve. Another reason could be that you have just started learning English, but your expectations are too high. You just want to be able to understand everyone and everything from the beginning, which is incredibly far-fetched. My solution for both these problems: just to immerse yourself in English on a daily basis. Don't say or don't think of it as, oh, I just have to do it and be done with it. I just have to get this over with. No, just try to make up your mind that English has become a fun part of your life and you are exposed to it every day. I read a sentence a few days ago which I think is beautifully true. It says, the more languages you know, the more worlds you belong to. Isn't that just fulfilling to know a language that connects you to the whole world, to the cutting edge technology, to the people and cultures from around the world? This is the easiest one to solve because all you need to do is just to improve your journal English, which happens while you are studying or watching masses videos. Just make sure to check for the pronunciation of that words as well. Sometimes this happens that I say a word and my students don't get to me. But when I type the word for them, they are like, oh, you mean this word? They have seen the word somewhere and they have checked the meaning and memorized it, but forget to check the pronunciation of this word and just went along with the pronunciation that they made up for it, which was unfortunately wrong. They just read it the way they thought was correct, and it caused them both pronunciation and listening problems later. Click on the speaker button on the top and repeat after the American or British pronunciation. Sometimes the speaker is native speaker but with the specific accent that you are not familiar with, or there are non-native speakers with particular accent that are a little bit tricky. Now experience last fun tip. If after doing all these things there was still a situation that you don't understand 1% completely, just don't panic. Try to guess the meaning of that word based on the context, or just say, oh, I see, and then later go on and check the meaning of that particular word. So guys, I hope this video gives you the guidance you need, the motivation. And so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it for today's video. See you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.